Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson. Now that you're confident working with simple formulas, in this video we're gonna look at how to work with a different kind of calculation called the function. We're still working with our shipping data, but now we're gonna come down to the bottom of the screen and click on Sales 2016. Now let's say you have been asked to summarize the sales made by your account managers. Your first job is to get the total sales of the last 4 quarters of each manager. The function that does the add operation for us is called the sum function. And this function will do exactly the same thing as this formula. As you notice, they look quite different. First, there are no pluses or operators in the function. It is the word sum that tells Excel what we want to do. Another difference is the brackets. Wherever you have a function name, you must have an open bracket and a closed bracket. One more difference is the colon. Formulas don't contain colons, but we use it a lot in functions. The colon is a range operator. It means work with all the values from B4 up to and including E4. Okay, let's do it again. Click on the cell where you want the answer to go. Now I can type the function as you saw previously, but there's an even quicker way. We're gonna come to our Home tab, go to the far right, and click AutoSum. Excel follows a simple set of rules. The rules for AutoSum go like this. Look up. If there are numbers above, add all the numbers until you hit text or a blank cell. If there are no numbers, go left. Add all the numbers to the left until you hit text or a blank cell. If there's nothing to the left, then there's nothing to sum. Here we have some numbers to the left and it worked nicely. Let's try that again. I'm gonna press enter, click AutoSum. Once again, it's done what it needs to do. So we click enter again, press AutoSum again. This time it looked up first, found 2 values, and added them up. Don't worry if Excel doesn't get the right values. Just go and tell it that you want these cells. Problem solved. Click enter. Now we don't have to do each of those. Just like with formulas, you can use your view handle to copy functions. So, I'm gonna click back to F6, come to my view handle, and drag back down. Now I want to add up all the totals in this bottom row. Instead of just clicking on one cell, I'm going to click on B18 and drag to F18. I'm then going to come up to my AutoSum. Click. Quick, wasn't it? Okay guys, it's a quick introduction to working with functions in general and some in specific. It's your turn to have a go. Please practice as much as you can. Thank you again for choosing my course. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.